Welcome to Information Systems for Management. This is Yang Park, and I'm going to go over some important materials for this summer. And first of all, we need to read the syllabus. Okay, so get down to those details so you you will not miss any important schedules, important times. In terms of communications, we have GoView email. This is more like an internal email. So I encourage you to use that email rather than a GSW email so that I can help you quicker. I can arrange or I can manage email more efficiently. Okay. Also, we have online office hours. That's 8 to 9 on Mondays. Okay, so take advantage of it. If you have any questions about any of assignments or any issues, other questions, so anything you can ask. But we're going to use the Collaborate Ultra, that's the video conference tool that you can find on GoView. Okay. All right. And since we're using open book text, okay, which is not publishers, any, those big companies or publishers textbook, and some of those material will be out of date, okay? But we're going to try to make it up with supplemental materials or discussions or assignments. So once you understand that, and also you need to have a webcam and microphone so that you can take a proctored exam, since we're going to take a Proctor U services for all the tests, right? And other requirements will be Microsoft Office 2019 or higher. I think we have 2021 is available, and even Office 365 is available for free on GSW websites. Okay, so make sure check that if you need one of those copies so that you can install it on your computer. Okay. All right, so let's get to the GoView, our learning management system. And if you go to GoView front page, and first thing you're going to see is announcement. Okay, so you're going to have an announcement that will give you some important information, some of even video tutorials, and you'll see some those announcements will be posted almost every week, even every few days. Okay, so take advantage of that. Then in terms of how you approach this course, you go to content most of the time, or you can go to individual module, of course. But if you go to content, you'll see modules, right? Module 1, Module 2, Module 3, those are the learning modules. Okay, of course, we have a syllabus, right there, syllabus and start items that I organized for the first time you access to this course. So if you click course syllabus, then you give you all those items for syllabus. And we're supposed to have syllabus link at the top, but I think I'm gonna ask for uh, some adjustments so that you can click the syllabus from the top. And again, for each module, you read the module materials. So you may have, I think you should have all those online text for this open book text. I made basically copy that particular chapter. Okay, so module 1 will be chapter 1 of the textbook, and you have some summarized questions. You have supplemental materials so that you need to read, and some of them are from my collection of materials or just summarized from other resources and things like that. So if you click module 2, same structure, you have some learning materials, including the textbook chapter, in this case, chapter 7 of the textbook, and other supplemental materials like articles and discussions and videos. And at the bottom, you'll have assignment quizzes that you need to take. Okay. So for example, if this quiz 2 is due at June 24th, then all you do is just click the quiz. Then you're going to click start at the bottom when the uh, uh, the time will be available. Okay. Same thing to assignment. If you click assignment 2, for example, it'll take you to the details of the assignment in terms of this is a grading rubric, and there will be the actual instruction of the email, assignment. Usually this in a Word document. So what you do is follow the instruction, then you answer to the questions. Okay. So that's how each module is consist of. Then if you can actually go to directly to the assignment. Okay. Assignment, that's under assessment, right? Then you have grades, quizzes. Under communication, you have chat, class lists, discussions, email, and so forth. And we have Excel module as a separate, okay, because we're going to have at least 4 or 5 different exercise for the Excel, okay. Here we go, Collaborate Ultra, the one I was talking about, the video conferencing tool, so that you can have a connection with the video. So I'm going to set up the sessions, then you're going to click the session name, then you'll engage into video conference. All right. So again, this announcement session is very important. So make sure you check the announcement every few days at least. And let me know if you have any other questions. Okay, let's go back to the slides. All right, in terms of a grade component, so we have 2 Proctor U tests. Days are given, okay, and chapter assignments. So each of those that's the assignment basically coming out of sometimes chapters, sometimes from other materials. Okay, so but most of those assignments will be application based, meaning that it's not like a copy and paste from the textbook. Okay, so Excel exercises, at least 4 different exercises for the Excel. Other hands-on exercises will probably 3 or 4 different kinds, including Google applications, internet related, and a little bit of HTML and JavaScript, and short exercise for database, for example. And we will have discussions too, using discussion board and short quizzes. So each module contains a quiz. A quiz consists of probably 8 to 10 uh, multiple choices most of the time. So that's how components for grading look like. All right, in terms of other policies, late assignment or late submission Basically, you have 3 makeup days beyond the due date. Okay, you can have 3 days late at once, or you have 3 different assignment late for 1 day. Either way, you'll have 3 makeup days. Beyond those 3 days, there'll be no acceptance. Okay,